And today, you cannot believe what I got for my birthday. I'm now 10 years old. I know I can't, like, show my other hand, but I'm 10 years old. And guess what I got, guys? You cannot believe this. A Ps4. I got a Ps4 for my birthday. And you know what game I got? I'm going to play on, in a little bit once we're done unpackaging it. Overwatch. I got Overwatch. So yeah, guys, we're gonna unbox it, and yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. So, put it. How am I gonna put this? Here. No. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be hard.
Jeez, I know.
Okay, I just can't let's unpackage it. Let's unpackage it.
Well, I'm
gonna unpackage my controller first.
Jiggy that wants to get in. Like, what's up? Look at my new dog shirt.
Okay, so first we're gonna unbox my golden controller that I got at Walmart, and my PS4 I got at Target.
Where you got it from? Oh my God, Jason. All right, here I'll film you.
Okay.
It's Day of the Dog.
Really?
Yeah. I wish there was more light here. There's not. Cool. What are the features on it? I don't think the other one had that. Like, I think this has a built-in speaker.
This is what it looked like, guys.
A gold controller for the Gold King.
Whatever you say.
Whatever.
Next, we got the PS4, guys.
PlayStation 4. PlayStation.
How am I gonna open this?
Oh, yeah, well, here. Hold
I
it.
think I got.
No. Oh, chihuahuas.
What?
That's not how you open it.
I can open it however I want. If it opens. Oh, like.
Oh my God! Hold on, Mr. Hulk. Let me help you. Hold this.
Okay. Okay. Courtney.
Okay. Hold on.
Taking it out.
Hold on.
She's taking it out. It's too heavy. Will she do it?
Wouldn't it be funny if it wasn't a
she took it
PS4
out.
and it was just closed?
I would be so mad. Okay. Courtney.
Alright. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to just get it like so you can see
I
that
know.
it has like.
I know.
Yes.
Okay, I know.
Oh,
I know.
You gotta just go like this. See?
I know.
Okay, there.
Okay, here.
Here. Oh my God.
Look it.
Alright, well, you gotta set it down because you gotta. Okay.
Make sure you do not press that red button.
What red button? This one? Ah,
Don't press
just
it.
kidding.
Go away.
Chiquita. Ooh,
We got our
ooh, they're like stickers, yo.
Wait, they are stickers.
Sweet. Alright, we'll just keep those. We won't.
We won't read them.
That's neat.
And we got the
Alright, Jason, don't hold it like that, buddy. Hey.
I think.
Hey, you can't hold it like that. You see?
This is a PS4.
You gotta hold it because that's backwards. See?
This is the PS4 right here.
And this is a very gentle item that cost me nearly an arm and a leg. So
It took $300.
Okay, we don't tell everybody
Okay. I think the remote's down here.
Oh yeah, I was gonna
It
say.
should come with a remote.
Oh yeah, there is a remote. There you go. It's over there. All right. All right. Oh, bad boy. This is a bad. Man, you were a lucky kid. I don't remember when I got a PS4. All I got was.
Okay, stop talking. It's time for silence time on ASMR with the PS4.
Today, we're going to open up Jason's present.
I'm just joking, guys. That's not gonna this video.
All right.
Ah!
Hold on. Let me do it again for you. Here, hold it. What are you stepping on?
Oh, I got it.
And we have a controller with all the accessories that we need to plug it into the TV.
Oh my god. Can you go put Chiquita in her cage?
She's fine. What's up, guys? My name is Chiquita.
And we have
I want to be on live.
official regular controller.
I guess that one is mine.
And this one is mine.
Is that one bigger? It looks bigger. Maybe it's just the color.
Stop! Chiquita!
All right, that's it.
Nope. Then we got
More
the
wires. Plug it in, plug it in.
And that's all.
That is it, folks. Hello.
I'm gonna go put in the garbage.
No, that is way to be. We're also doing how to recycle. Just put it. Just put it there. I'll do it. I'll do it.
I guess this is the garbage now.
That is not garbage.
The floor.
All right, here. All right,
Is this
cool.
right?
Good
I
job.
don't think
Yep.
this can fit it.
That's okay. Here.
Can't you see, guys? It's made by Sony, the creators of the PS4. The legends.
Oh my God, this kid. All right, here, kiddo. I'm gonna hook it up now. I'll do all the good stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
So hey guys, this I'm gonna play Overwatch, and I'm gonna take a.
All right.
So hey guys, I'm gonna go put this in the recycling, and I will.
You know what? I'm gonna wait till. I'm gonna see about. Won't sell it, then you can film again, okay?
Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop this right here. This is PS4 because I need to like hook it up and stuff. So PS4 part 1. Okay, bye guys. See you in a little bit. Bye.